So once the part's completed, it comes here to the demold section to be demolded. We weigh it, and if it doesn't meet spec at this stage, it goes outside to be crushed, never to be seen in Australian waters. Luckily, this has only happened a handful of times in 25 years. So once the boat's out of the mould, we then QC it, or quality control. Once it's quality controlled, it then goes to the grinding bay, sanded and painted, and then it joins the assembly lines. So as the boat moves down the production line, it starts to take on a familiar shape. The hull and deck are joined using a product called Acme Bond. When the Acme Bond is applied, it goes off very quickly, making the two parts become one. In addition, we fasten both parts together, then apply a gunnel rubber as a cosmetic finish. So once the boys have got the gunnel rubber right, it's time to fit any one of 3,700 parts kept in our store. Foam flotation is an option on all Haines Group boats. Now at the Haines Group we build two types of boats, those with traditional timber stringers and Nexus technology boats, which is what this one is. Now basically Nexus technology means it's a boat built within a boat, and then all the internal cavities are filled with foam. Now the foam is a closed cell foam, which means it won't absorb water and it's impervious to fuel. Here in Upholstery we use the finest quality materials. The vinyls we use is a prefix coated vinyl, which is baked on. Now it's tested by rubbing across a stainless steel wire. Now your average upholstery rubs through it 8,000 rubs. This stuff rubs through it 60,000 rubs. That basically means you won't be replacing your upholstery every few years. We use a high density foam, which is much more comfortable and a lot more durable. So there's two sections to upholstery, upstairs where it's cut and sewn, and downstairs where it's stapled and assembled. We're very proud that 95% of the boat is built in-house here by our trusted staff. Stevie's been here 21 years. It's a lot of stainless steel staples, Stevie. Another brand of the Haines Group is Designer Stainless. Again, in-house customisation. From bow rails to targas, Paul and his team have been crafting beautiful products for many, many years. They use 316 marine grade stainless steel. Just another example of the no compromise products we use here. Paul and his team's work can be found on anything from multi-million-dollar houses to our boats. Here in the engine bay, if specified, we can fit engines here at the factory. Our highly trained technicians will have the boat and engines in sync and with the correct propellers so that you never have to play with your setup. So when we build a new model, we put the boat on the water for a test. This ensures that the setup and prop selection is perfect. It also allows our drivers to put the boat through its paces. We test it so you don't have to. We also hook the Suzuki up to the Suzuki diagnostic system. This allows our qualified technicians to access more than 100 parameters within the engine. It also makes sure that the engine is running correctly. So this is the final stage of production. This is where the boat's detailed, using quality products and qualified staff. With little maintenance, this boat will stay looking great for your family to use for a lifetime. So the boat's been QC'd 3 times during production, and then again before it goes onto the truck to come to your family. Now, I guess the Haines Group difference is the products that actually go into building the boat. From the rue-ply timber, to the gel coat, to the resin, to the fiberglass knitted fabrics, the prefix vinyls, the 316 stainless. I guess it really is a case of you get what you pay for. All the boats built by the Haines Group are covered by a 10-year structural warranty and a 2-year warranty on all the parts that matter. Now, you may have seen warranties that are, say, 8, 9, 10 years, but in actual fact, the parts that matter are only covered by a 6 or maybe a 12-month warranty. At the Haines Group, we cover everything for 2 years, even the parts we don't build. Now, if you want to go onto our website, our warranty's there for all to see.
My father, John Haines, started the Haines Group. He was actually awarded the Order of Australia Medal for his contribution to the Australian marine industry, boat building standards, design and construction. Now, he put an ethos into everyone here at the Haines Group to be the best at what we do. Also in the factory, to build it as if you're going to own it. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this factory tour today, and we hope to see you on the water soon.